Hi everybody, just checking in. This is probably gonna be my last video before checking into the hospital. I think I'm about 4 days away, 3 or 4 days from checking into the hospital for my stem cell transplant. This is also gonna be the last video that I'm able to do while I still have some hairs. As you all probably know, that cancer patients quite often lose their hair because of the intense high dosages of chemotherapy. I went through this last year upon my initial diagnosis. I received a treatment called 7+3, where I received a combination of 2 chemo drugs to kill off as much as the cancer cells that were in my bone marrow as possible. And one of the chemo drugs that I received intravenously is referred to as the Red Devil, and it's some powerful stuff. And that's what will make my hair fall out. As I did last year, I prefer to be proactive. The thought of me watching my hair fall out was just way too much. Last year, I had about a good 10 or 11 inches of long, thick hair. So it really just was so painful. It was just an emotional process. I mourned the loss of my hair. As I said, I prefer to be proactive, so I did not wait for my hair to fall out. Myself and my sweet cousin, Tikaboo, shaved my hair off because I couldn't bear to watch my hair just fall out. You know, I don't like feeling helpless. And that was my way of like taking back some of the control and power and not just, sitting idle waiting for the disease and the treatment to call the shots. Like, I just decided to cut my hair off. And so I'm going to be doing that again the night before I check into the hospital. I'm just going to have to shave all my hair off because I don't want to watch it fall out. But I am fortunate because my hair grows really fast. I've probably cut it a good, probably 15 times since last year when I was diagnosed. So it does grow really fast. And it'll probably start growing back really good within like say 2-3 months after treatment. It starts off like real patchy, but then it evens out and it'll just start flourishing and growing. So yeah, this is probably going to be the last video that I do with hair. I will probably do something when I check in because I would like for everybody to just see the process. How a patient receives cancer treatment intravenously, the process of receiving the stem cells. I know so many people are unaware. Before this happened to me, before I was diagnosed, I was just, like in the dark, had no clue. So a lot of people just don't know. And that's the whole purpose of me speaking about it, to raise awareness, just to open people's eyes, to, be more empathetic with people going through the process. It's been an emotional journey for me. Especially losing hair, the saying that a woman's hair is her crown and glory. And that's very true because I can't even describe the feeling of just losing your hair. It may sound simple, but it's a really big deal. And it's an emotional process. So that's what I'm going through. I will see you all again when I check in for treatment within the next few days. We're getting closer and closer. I'm a little antsy, a little nervous, not exactly sleeping like I should because I'm kind of on the edge, but again, just, send some good vibes prayers. And I thank y'all all for receiving this information. Thank you all for listening to everything that I have to say. And that's it. I'm out.